open our perspective, we open possibilities, we enhance our ability to access creativity, we can improve our relationships, and we can boost productivity.
She's a phenomenal and dynamic speaker on the platform. Her voice is powerful, she's very energetic, and she gives phenomenal information.
The thing is that when we have stressors, the same thing happens. Whether it's time, money, or any other circumstance, we get caught up in our perspective. So we have to step back. And that's a gift of stepping back from the emotion, from the stress, and being able to see the Rubik's Cube from all different sides, to see different perspectives, to see different solutions of how to solve a problem.
I saw Penny today and I would just have to say she has one incredible aura. You just want to be around her because she is pinging with life.
So notice what happens when we have a time and we have a seemingly impossible problem in front of us. Some people give up. Some people are challenged and keep trying and trying. Some people are still trying right now. I want you to notice which one are you. The whole point of creativity, problem solving, and innovation is not to get stuck in the problem, but to focus on possible solutions. So sometimes the dots that we do see, they prevent us from seeing the dots that we don't see. So we need to see what we're not seeing. That's why people work with coaches and facilitators. That's why we work on teams together, so that we can see those dots that we don't yet see.
My gift has always been to help people see the bigger picture, to help put things into perspective, to help people be more purposeful of their thoughts, their feelings, their emotions, and their actions.